Hi, I'm Jan from velomobielworld.com. We are in the shadow of the factory in Romania. Here we have my Alpha 7. I had on the German forum a question like, hey, could you make a video about what is actually a velomobile? And I was like, really? The problem is I cycle already 20 years and plus velomobile, so it's so normal for me that everybody knows what is a velomobile. But also this morning I was with a velomobile in one town away from us, Regin. It's like 8 kilometers away, and I come really oft there, like daily. And there was a lady asked me like, but what is it? What is it? So even in areas where I drive quite a lot, and I expected that everybody knows already what is a velomobile, people still don't know. Yeah, so what is a velomobile? So it's a very aerodynamic bicycle. Because of this aerodynamic advantages, you can go faster with less energy, or you can drive longer distance with the same energy you would use on a normal bicycle. Also a big advantage, you have a lot of storage spaces next to you on the left and the right side and here behind. So you can do shoppings with it. You can do commuting. So for example, you have your laptop with you. You can put very easy here your laptop. Bring some dry clothes with you because it's not a good idea to cycle in your suit. Although I'm not sure if a lot of people who works on an office still work in a suit, but you can bring other clothes with you. You have a lot of rain protection, so elements like if it's snowy, you don't get cold in the winter, because you can close this hole still and you keep the warmth inside. You have a three-wheeler, so if it's icy, you have much more stability as a two-wheeler. You can do, you can go on vacation with it. There fits in a tent, sleeping bag, mattress, some spare clothes. Some food, cooking utensils, pots and pans. I don't know what's the official name for it. I will make some other films about commuting, about going to shop, and maybe vacation. But I will see. In one of the next videos, I will show you like even the fits in the camping gear. Like here, you can have a mattress. Here you can have a tent. Here up you can have a sleeping bag. You can have here there's a lot of space here, and here is a very big space. You can put all kind of stuff here. So it's a very spacious velomobile where you can, it's also very practical. I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day. Bye bye. If you liked our video, please consider subscribing of it. If you want to let some comments behind with some ideas from other videos, just put it in the comments. We have also a website, velomobielworld.com. Have a look. Have a great day. Bye bye.